Welcome to Speed Zone, where we bring you the latest in automotive reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Isuzu Hiace 9-seater van, a vehicle designed for those who demand practicality and reliability without compromising on modern features. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Isuzu Hiace is a bold step forward in design. Its sleek, aerodynamic lines give it a contemporary look while maintaining the robust stance Isuzu is known for. The front grille features a striking chrome finish, complemented by angular LED headlights that provide excellent visibility. The sculpted bumper and fog lamps not only add to the aesthetics but also enhance safety in adverse conditions. Moving to the side, the extended wheelbase provides a balanced and commanding appearance, while the sliding doors ensure easy access for passengers. The alloy wheels add a touch of sophistication, and the rear showcases vertical taillights and a wide-opening tailgate, ideal for loading cargo or luggage. Performance-wise, the Isuzu Hiace doesn't disappoint. Under the hood is a refined 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It delivers impressive torque, making it a reliable choice for both city driving and long highway journeys. Despite its size, the Hiace is surprisingly agile, thanks to its precise steering and improved suspension system. It handles corners with stability and maintains comfort even on rough terrain. The fuel efficiency is commendable for a van of this category, making it an economical option for families or businesses. The advanced braking system, coupled with electronic stability control, ensures safety in various driving conditions, and the vehicle's noise insulation minimizes engine sound for a smoother ride experience. Inside, the 2025 Isuzu Hiace continues to impress. The cabin layout is spacious, with high-quality materials used throughout. The dashboard is simple yet modern, featuring an intuitive touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, smartphone connectivity, and a reverse camera for added convenience. The seating arrangement is practical, offering ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. Adjustable seats and rear air conditioning ensure a comfortable journey, whether you're on a short commute or a long trip. Storage compartments are thoughtfully placed, making it easy to keep essentials within reach. The 2025 Isuzu Hiace 9-seater van is a versatile and reliable option that perfectly blends functionality, style, and performance. Whether for personal use or business needs, this van proves that Isuzu continues to raise the bar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speed Zone for more detailed reviews and automotive insights.